Hello everyone and welcome to Post University and CTC101BS Section 59. My name is Eric LaCharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your faculty this term. What an exciting time to be joining this class. It's almost spring, the weather is turning, so this is a great time for some new beginnings and to learn some new skills. Over the next 8 weeks, you are going to be challenged to think differently, to think critically, to really do some good reflection and to be honest with yourselves and to really push those boundaries of your academic pursuits to really provide foundational skills for the rest of your academic journey and into your professional career. Some of the things that we're going to talk about are going to be time management, financial stability and financial awareness, growth mindsets, and study skills, and just so much more. All of the things that are really going to provide that baseline for you to be successful students and successful professionals. What does that mean? Over the next 8 weeks, you're going to have assignments that you're required to do. So it's really going to be on you to put in the effort to be successful in this class. I know we all have jobs and family and other things that we have to tend to. So it's really about organizing your time and finding those pockets of time to be able to dedicate to your academics here at Post. One thing you need to know is that I am here as a support for you in this class as your instructor. So I have office hours, I have can be reached by phone, email, text, whatever it is that you need, I am here for your support. One of the things I highly encourage students to do is to really engage in the activities that take place throughout the term. Engage with your fellow classmates, share your stories, share your experiences, and really make the most of what this course can offer. One of the things that we hear from students all the time in the final unit of each term when we do our reflections is that people wish they dedicated more time to the class. So this is an opportunity for you from the very beginning to make the most of this class and to really get out of it what you want to get out of it. So again, I'm here. If you need anything, let me know. But I look forward to working with you, and I look forward to seeing you very soon on Blackboard. Hope all is well. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again. Bye.